طيب هنرجع يا شباب دلوقتي هنشرح يونت 9. احنا منهج البلس بتاعنا بريب 1. بريب ايه؟ بريب 1 بعنوان now. ده الترم التاني now you see us. ايه الكلمات بتاعتي lesson 1 و 2؟ عندي tame، عندي ethologist اخصائي سلوك حيوان، عندي behave domestic purr عزيز اللي هو صوت القطة يعني behavior researcher rescue train. حيواناتي تايجر فلامينجو ويل سنيك elephant باندا سنو leopard penguin بطريق desert mountain sea jungle forest hills. ودي البليسز اللي عايش فيها الحيوانات. عندي guess realize وعندي rocks و develop وعندي display die describe و description اللي هو الوصف. عندي types و climate change movie. تمام. إكوادور دلهي وكلوزلي عن قرب. عندي وايلد وألايك وبلايند وأميزنج وسيرتن several surprising essential social excited differ وhappy. عندي large وعندي dangerous difficult scientific important وعندي quite. Conjugation of verbs know new known cut down cut find found found teach taught taught understand understood heard. يعني ايه behavior؟ behavior the way someone says، طريقة اللي بيها حد بيتكلم أو يعمل حاجة. behave يتصرف to do or say things in a certain way بطريقة معينة. rescue يعني ينقذ to save someone إنك تنقذ شخص ما or something from something من حاجة تانية difficult أو dangerous صعبة أو خطرة. ethologist اللي هو person who studies animal behavior أخصائي سلوك حيوان. jungle اللي هو الفورست in a tropical country في country tropical استوائية وحيث lots of trees كتير من trees الأشجار والplants grow very close together. domestic يعني أليف بتساوي tame عكسها wild. certain بتساوي specific عكسها general common. و ill بتساوي sick unwell. well عكسها well و healthy. و rescue بتساوي safe و in danger. display بتساوي show عكسها hide. ال IOR behavior. ال ER هتديك الفاعل الاسم من الفعل researcher. ال IC تديك الادجective الصفة. science scientific هي. وعندك ال واي هتدي الادفيرب. عندك share facts share behavior share with humans. look after يعتني بيه بتساوي care. اكتب كده بتساوي care for. ماشي. بتساوي كمان look after بتساوي ايه؟ look after. عندك get angry get sad get lost. have a job have a lot to learn. عندك work together get bigger give scientific names in real life in certain ways move around tame by humans we near the sea. خلينا نرجع تاني. work together get better و give scientific names lose their homes behave like و train animals. حروف الجر in real life in certain ways move around tamed by humans و near the sea. home to dangerous for the night useful for cut a cut down. عندي search و research و researcher. search ده البحث يبحث ده الverb. search for he searched for his book everywhere but he couldn't find it ما لقاهوش. research ده بحث علمي. students do وهتاخد do يا جماعة do research for clean energy. researcher ال ER بتديك الفاعل الشخص نفسه. سامح works in the petroleum company as a chemical researcher. عندك danger الخطر. in danger يعني في خطر. endangered يعني معرض للخطر تمام كده. danger faced all those dangers bravely. هو واجه كل المخاطر دي بشجاعة. ال elephants work together to rescue family members that are in danger. اللي فيه خطر. in danger ده verb يا جماعة. your behavior endangered the whole group. بيعرض الايه جروب كله للخطر، لان انت هنا you are ايه careless. انت careless مهمل. scientist ethology ethologist الاي اس تي دي suffix هيعمل الفاعل بتاع الكلمة. pharmacy pharmacist وجيولوجي geologist. هحل تدريباتي هنا وهقرا الباسج دي وهبعتها على الايه على الواتساب بتاعي. خلاص كده تمام. نقطة الجرامر هنا بتكلمني عن الريلاتيف كلوز. الريلاتيف كلوز يا جماعة دي عبارة وصفية، تمام، بستخدم معاها ايه؟ بتبدأ بالبروناون هو which وذات وير وين، اللي هم سميهم الريلاتيف بروناونز ضمائر الصلة. باختصار هو عاقل، which غير عاقل، ذات هتشتغل شغل الاتنين، وير حيث للمكان، وين عندما للزمن. يلا بينا. هنا أيمن is friendly. he is my classmate. يبقى أيمن who is my classmate is ايه؟ friendly. يبقى أنا شلت هنا ايه الفاعل، وعشان ما كرروش حطيت الريلاتيف pronoun. do you know حلمي و you met him، فشلت أنا ايه do you know حلمي who أو that you met in the ايه in the club. ماشي. which و that ده غير العاقل. trees are usually very tall. they grow in the jungle. يبقى trees which أو that grow in the jungle are usually إيه؟ very tall. Elephants are animals which أو that seem to love each other. يبقى are these clothes which you want to take on holiday. بس ده الجرامر المطلوب منه. حل تدريبات على lesson 1 وإيه 1 و 2. تعال نحل كده مع بعض ده التدريبات دي. التريز مالها grow. يلا مين أسرع؟ that grow غير عاقل. in the jungle are usually very tall. I visited كارناك temple. مفيش which is located صح. مفيش which خد ذات. لا which is located أو that is located. ما أنت خدت which. لا، البديل بتاعها that. I read the story my father gave me. كلام عن الستوري يبقى which. do you know my uncle who lives in Canada. I like my friends who are friendly and honest. Researchers have seen several types of behavior. سلوك which elephants share with humans. The birds doesn't walk very well because it has legs. عشان عندهم رجلين which are really short. People who study animals have to. الناس اللي who study animals. Trees grow in jungles are usually very tall. That type scientists understand animals' behavior. No. يبقى هو. My brother prefers to watch movies. Movie which make him happy. Mr. Sabri is the teacher who taught my brother. Mariam, I visited the temple. That is located in the city of Luxor. Omar, the person is sitting next to me is called Haytham. مفيش عمر. هو. مريم.
هو
You left the bag you, you bought at the weekend at my house. مفيش مريم. That تعال نربط. That is the woman. عمر.
Who?
هو. The table.
Which?
Which of that? Do you know the time? When? زمن. The event starts. Can you remember the day? When? زمن. اليوم اللي احنا سافرنا فيه. My brother who lives. This is the animal. Which of that? Elephants are animals. Which seem of that seem. Scientists. عاقل. Who were studying animals in Ecuador stayed in a small town for the night. Plants.
Which?
Which of the
Where?
children? لا, which grow in the desert. Children who have watched the movie called Happy Feet know a lot about this animal. Is this the car? Is this the car? Which of that you bought? I give the shoes. Which of that? غير عقل. I work for a charity. Which of that? This is the watch. Which of that? That my dad gave me for my birthday. My grandma is the person who of that. خلاص يا جماعة. حل تدريبات على lesson 1 و 2 منهج الايه